Speedway. Gonna hit some test laps. Sports Car Cup of Rockford was kind enough to let us use the track after an autocross, so let's see how the old Ranger does.
Boogity, 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 let's go racing, boys! Yep. First ever lap on the track. Let's see how she fares. Pit stop, man your stations. See how these tires are fair. Nice and slick. About it so far, Nate?
Oh, it felt good. We're definitely gonna win.
Alright, we'll see.
Yeah.
Well, that concludes our testing at the Rockford Speedway. I'd say it did pretty good. Shit, you hear those rocks flying off those hot tires.
What you doing, Dre?
Popping bubbles.
The new tow rig?
What are you doing?
Documenting
Documenting what?
this conversation.
For future generations.
Maybe we should discuss this van we just saw.
This
It was
van was
straight dog
garbage.
I gave you a quick
I don't even know why Nate looked at it. Wasted all of our time.
So what are we doing?
Well, we found another van.
Going to look at a van.
The last one was shit.
Yeah, last van was garbage.
So we drove another hour and a half.
Now we're in Milwaukee. Trying to find a
And we're supposed to be turning at this intersection up here, not this one. Okay.
left or right?
Left. We're going left.
Okay. We have to verify
We gotta make sure there's a van here.
There's an actual van.
Because the pictures just not good.
Oh God. What's going on? Looks like there's people looking at the van.
Is that the van that we're coming to look at?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Is it really?
Yep.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
Dude, that's the van we're coming to look at.
I thought it was. So,
This is the unit.
how'd you drive?
This thing's mint. It is the nicest van I've ever driven in my entire life.
Straight out of Arizona.
Straight from Arizona.
Out of Milwaukee.
Rust free.
I don't even know if we can show the people how clean this. Why don't you jack it up? Put on a lift.
Dude,
Do you know it had a roof rack?
it's got a roof rack?
Yeah.
We can strap to the roof?
Yeah. I didn't see it till you were behind me. Oh my!
Dude.
Look at it.
This thing is cherry.
Well, they postponed the event, and it's just the most disappointing news we've got. So, check back in 2 months. We'll be doing the thing.
Are we going to try to make it better?
Well, you know, she's as good as it's gonna get. You know, we might throw another video out of us giving her a tune-up.
Yeah.
You know, making her just perform excellently. Fix the things that weren't fixed the first time around. We got 2 months. We got to do something. We definitely need to remove the cats.
Yeah. We got 2 months.
Yeah. Somebody should be capable of removing cats in 2 months. Not me.
Not you?
Somebody.
Okay.
Well, a whole lot of time back over. I can hardly see it because we're going so slow. She's pulling on us.
Is this how this trip's gonna go the whole way?
No, I'm gonna
Yeah.
drive and Nate's gonna sleep.
No way. Nobody's
Yeah.
sleeping while you're driving.